Good morning, students. My name is Himanshu Srivastav. This video is containing the notes of The Fun They Had by Isaac Asimov. This is about the notes that we had the story that we had already discussed about that. Here, introduction is the story is set in future when books and schools as we have now perhaps will not exist. The two students of that period, about 150 years advanced from today, find a printed book. They were surprised very much. They talk about the schools and books of the old period. They compare those schools with those of their own, which are situated in their homes and have mechanical teachers to teach them. They find their own schools dull and boring. They think that it was great fun to study in the schools of old times when all the kids in the area went there to learn the same thing by a man teacher. After this, the plot and theme of the story is there, and this is the theme. The main theme in this story is about education, the modern education that is going on, and the future education. Message is one of the warning against the dangers of computerized homeschooling, which deprives children of the benefits of the personal interactions between students and teachers, which help them to develop many social skills. Justification of the title, that how the title is really justifying whatever has been taught in the story. The moral is one of the warning against the dangers of computerized homeschooling, which keeps away the children from the benefits of the personal interactions between students and teacher. Now the characters, two characters are there, especially Margie and Tommy. That is here, that has been already discussed. So about it also mentioned. The detailed summary means you can say the part wise, how the different parts are there. Part wise the description is here. I hope this will help you out. After that, some multiple choice questions of the exercise. These are the questions. How old was Margie? How old was Tommy? Where did Tommy found the book? What was Margie scornful about? What do you mean by a mechanical teacher? What was Margie's mechanical teacher giving her? Margie's mother called the county inspector for what? Margie's mother shaken her head sorrowfully. Who was around little man? Why had the inspector tools and wires with him? How long did it take the inspector to set the mechanical teacher right? So here are some questions. They may be internal. After this, the reference to extract. The passage is here. You have to read the passage carefully and have to answer is also given, but you try to read and practice yourself too. You don't have to follow the same, you don't have to write the answer same, you try to write yourself also. I hope this note will help you out related to this chapter. Many questions are there. Now this passage is for practice, means answer is not given. You have to read and have to write the answer yourself by your own understanding. These are some questions that is there. You will write all these questions in your copy. Now some here again answers are given. Lot of questions are there. I think these are enough for you. The main characters of the story, the fun they had here, Margie Jones from the chapter, the fun they had, and Tommy. And then very short answer type questions, that was MCQ type, and this is very short answer type in the form of sentence. Variety of questions are here. Now short answer type questions means 30 to 40 words answers. Describe the book that Tommy had found in the attic. Had Margie even seen a book before? What things about the book did Margie find strange? What do you think a telebook is? So these are the questions. Some questions are there from the main book also, means from the comprehension check exercises that is given at the last of the chapter. So I hope these all questions will help you out in understanding the chapter. These are the exercises that has been done. Lot of questions are here. It has been typed and some are copied from the net also. So I hope this will help you out all to understand what it actually is, and the notes is enough to understand, and this will help. Some long answer type question is also here, 100 in 150 words that you have to answer. Now the question is in the form of diary entry, that is this is value based question. Might be from the next year the value based question will come. I hope these all notes will help you out to understand the chapter. So thank you. You please do these things in your copy.